Hi, welcome back, traders. My name is Suresh, a seasoned lead quant trader in AlfaMax Capital. So, in this next 20 minutes video, I'll quickly take you through the how the swing structured quant systems performing in this volatile and downward phase of the market. I'll take you through the batch 16 portfolio accounts status, which we started in the month of January 2026. So earlier in each batch, so we used to run around 25 to 50 accounts in each batch. So those, so I'll just take you through these small accounts, portfolio accounts, which are recently started. So how quantitative systems plan, and then how the performance results should be generated as per the predefined conditions. So I'll just take you through. On an average, any account which is having a less than 10 lakh portfolio, the system expected growth will be, average expected growth will be around 8% monthly. And so, and we will record the actual profit and then the buffer percentage which is created. And if the account grows in this way, consistent way, and compounding at each month, so how the capital will grow on a yearly basis. These statistics will show you this is the expected swing trading planning. And the same way, I'll just take you through batch 15 accounts which were started in the month of January 2026. So in such batch, so this account started with a 5 lakh rupees capital initially, and we end up in generating the 1 lakh 2,000 rupees profit, and the actual growth on that month is 20.5%. There was a buffer return is available around 15.5. So in the month of February, we end up in there was an additional top up capital added to this account. Using the 35 lakh capital, we end up in generating the 8 lakh 16,493. So in that month also, there was a buffer return of 17.5% is created. In the month of March, so the realized profit as of today is minus 44,235. So now I'll take you through the actual P&L details. I'll just retrieve the live P&Ls from the account. So in this month, January 2026, we end up in creating, as it was explained in the spreadsheet, so we end up in creating 1,02,541 using the 5 lakh rupees capital. So in the month of February, we end up in creating around 8,16,493, but in this the top up capital was added in the mid of February. So using 35 lakh capital, we end up in creating 8,16,493. So there are few profitable trades carried from the long trade book in this P&L. And in the month of March, the realized profit as of now is a negative in this portfolio account, around 44,000 net loss which was booked, and hopefully we are able to close very good at a close of March 2026. So now I'll quickly take you through another accounts. So this account started with a 12,60,000, and we end up in creating 1,78,595 555 profit. So around 14.2% growth in the month of January 2026. So there was extra buffer return which is created around 6.2%. So same way in the February we created, and we booked actually a loss of 6,889 rupees. And in the month of March, as of now, we booked around 42,000 profit. So now I'll take you through the live P&L details of this account. Uh, so you can see it here in the month of January. So as said already, 1,78,955 is created in the month of February. So we end up in booking a loss of 6,889, and in the month of March, as of today, so still this month is not completed, and we can able to showcase all the actual records at the close of this quarter or this month end. So we booked around 42,768. Okay, so quickly I'll go take you through another 7-8 accounts, portfolio accounts. So this account that started with 10 lakh rupees. In the January we created around 43,000, but in this account there was initial loss of the carry forward loss which were done by others, so around 1.6 lakh, and that loss we recovered, and then we were able to book a net profit of 43,000. So the actual growth after, you know, actual growth will be much higher than this thing, but we have just considered the net realized P&L in that month. So, and second month February we created 8.6 percentage, March so far we created around 5.2 percentage. So I'll just quickly take you through that account, and you can able to see the live P&L. This is the month of January, and in the month of February we have created around 89,000 profit, and in the month of March so far we generated around 59,252 profit. So in this downward page of the market, the one thing you need to remember, if you have a consistent system, the well established advanced the structured systems in your place, and on top of that hedging and risk management tools, so anybody can able to create a consistent result irrespective of the market cycle. Yeah, there may be losses in a few months, but losses will be small compared to profits. So now I'll take you through few more accounts. So this account started with just a 5 lakh rupees, and then we end up in creating 71,000 book profit, and in February we booked around just 12,000 rupees for 444, and in the March we booked so far around 71,000. So altogether in the last 3 months it's created around 28.7 percentage profit. So I'll just quickly take you through that account. January we booked around 71,000. February we booked around 12,000 rupees profit, as February was a toughest and the volatile month, and in the March we just booked around 71,000 so far, as the month is not yet completed. So we expect this month also close very good. And next account, so I'll take you through. So this account also was a 5 lakh account. So we created around 73,000 and 13,774 in a second month. Third month we created around 60,625. So I'll just take you through quickly the same account. January we created this much. Okay. In the month of February we have created 13,774 profit, and in the month of March we have generated around 60,000 profit so far. So that's approximately, you can just calculate the monthly portfolio growth, the expected return will be 8%. So the actual growth 14.8%, and in the second month it has underperformed, just created a 2.4%, and in the third month so far it's created around 10.3%. So same way I can able to take you through the many accounts in the batch 15, and also the older batch accounts. So this account, all these accounts, it started with a 4.2 lakh, and in the month of January we booked around 58,436, and in the second month we booked around 1,52,000. In the third month we booked around 72,450. So here the returns are just a byproduct of the process. So we just drive through the process, not through the PNL. The PNL is a byproduct of this entire process. So you can see the PNL 1,52,000 in the month of February, and in the month of March we have created around 72,000 so far. So like that, the next account, so it's just a very small account, so it was just for internal employee, internal small trader account. So it just created it. So in this 2 lakh also, the what matters is, so when we apply the same process and signals, so can we able to generate the similar return? Yes, we can able to do it with a little bit variation based on the hedging cost and based on the adjustments and type of trades we took in that particular portfolio account. So it just created around 33,000 and 16,000, around 44,000. So you can able to see it, the live PNL, and also you can able to see the live trades. There are many trades which we booked losses, and many trades which we booked a profit, and it just ran through the consistent free depend system process. So you can see in February we have booked around 16,000, and in the March month so far we booked around 44,000. And let me take you through next account. So this portfolio account started with 7 lakh, and then in the first month we created around 91,980 rupees, and actual percentage growth will be 13.1%, and there's an extra 5.1% buffer return is created, as this expectation will be on an average 8%. In the month of February, yes, we lost the money in this account, so around 23,360 rupees we lost, around minus 2.9%. So in the month of March so far the 7.7% return is created, and I'll take you through that account. So this should be the January, and in the month of February, so we have booked losses in this account. Okay, the same way, there are many such accounts, many such portfolio accounts. In one batch, around 100 such portfolios accounts will be running. So this account started with a 5 lakh rupees capital. In this we created 8 lakh, 8,000, 410, 43,000, 49,000, and as there were few running losing trades, and we were able to book the losses. After that we can able to realize the net profit. So the same way I can able to take you through many such accounts. So this account started with 8 lakh, and we were able to book a 1 lakh 13,000 in the first January, and in the February, yes, there were mistakes in this, and we end up in booking just a 77,000 losses. And in the month of March, we end up in booking 37,000 profit so far. So the same way next, I'll just take you through the P&L of this account. Uh, so yeah, in the month of January, 1,13,000, and in the month of February, so we are able to book the loss. So see, we made many mistakes, many mistakes and deviation from the system process. So in the option segment, so we booked the huge losses. Otherwise, this account could have been uh, booked very well in the month of February. Okay, so there are many such trades. There are many losing trades. There are many winning trades. Okay, so but we end up in booking a net loss in the month of February. So same way March is going well, and same thing next. I'll take you through next. So this account started with the 10 lakh rupees, and in the month of yeah, so similarly we can able to take you through many other accounts or many other patch portfolios. So the aim of this quant system driven process is to create the consistent portfolio growth month on month basis and year on year basis. So irrespective of the market cycles, market may crash, market may go up, market may go into a downward phase another 1 2 3 4 months are in this year. So as these are the advanced quantitative systems, so we just need to stick to a system process, risk management and hedging the entire portfolio. So these are the smaller accounts in a bigger portfolio accounts. So the growth will be a bit better and consistent compared to smaller accounts. So this is how what we do in an AlfaMax Capital. So just track one system process and then make sure we create a consistent return month on month, year on year basis. So here in this portfolios accounts we manage both long short portfolios. So and also it's a multi-asset. It's not just equity, it's not just a commodity, it's not just a currency, it's not just a other related assets. It's a multi-asset, multi-strategy quant system process that we follow. So stay tuned and stay connected to know more disciplined way of generating the profit through the market and generating the cash flow through the market. So thank you, take care, bye bye.